Hi, welcome to another ZSK tutorial on the T8 controller. In this tutorial we're going to talk about trimming. In the T8 controller we have the ability to trim two different ways. We can trim the top and bottom thread, or we can trim just the bottom thread here. To trim the top and bottom thread, all I have to do is press this button, and then I have to make sure to confirm that button. So I press the start button, make sure that my green light is on the right hand side, and it will now trim the top and bottom. When I trim the top and bottom, you see that the thread came down. Underneath is where it actually trims, and then the thread catcher or the wiper holder will actually pull back that thread back into that holding area. This is helpful, when you want to, change something in the design. Now, this is really cool when you want to change just the bobbin and you need to cut the bobbin. You can cut just the bobbin only, and if I press that and press the start button, you can see that the needle did not go down, but it only did the knife movement at the bottom. You could actually hear that in the machine when you use it. So that's really nice to use when you do have a bobbin run out or you need to change the bobbin. You can just cut the bobbin thread so the top thread stays down in there. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.